lost my emotional attachment to him. Without it, he's so ordinary. It was my love, my energy and effort that made him seem so special. It was always a toxic cycle, but each time I became less and less infatuated with the version of him that I had created. Kind, gentle, loving. He was none of those things. Not with me, at least. I didn't want to live in his world of adversity, abuse, and constant misery, so I did what I had to do, and I healed. It's his worst nightmare. I'm all better now and he can't hurt me. Trying to explain how I feel about him now is difficult. It's like he's there, and I see him, but I don't know him. He's a stranger to me. I feel nothing. And that feels fucking amazing.